Hi everyone, and welcome to Weekly Market Outlook. So guys, can you quickly just confirm that we are having sound and screen and everything works properly so we can continue to the Outlook? I'll just quickly use the chat and type in the Y if you can hear me. Okay, thank you very much, Alex, for the confirmation. So it seems that everything works fine. So let's start. As you know, and those who are new, if you have any question, just feel free to use the chat. I can see both chats, those who are watching me on YouTube and those who are watching me on TradingView. Feel free to ask anything. I'm here to help you explain things that are complicated for you. Okay, so thank you very much. So there's as well confirmations from YouTube. Thank you guys. So first, what I would love to say is, let's see what is there under the published idea, what goes as we planned and how it goes. So US oil is still struggling there at the top. Okay, so we were expecting this to start breaking lower. Okay, and it just went to the bigger correction. As you can see over there, I have updated the idea. Okay, it drops, went lower, and you should close all those trades on break even. Okay, so now it went higher, retest the previous top again, and what it's doing now, it is struggling there at the previous top. So what does this mean? Okay, the oil will go lower. Okay, so as you can see, this is the updated idea, and this will still go lower. So we have to watch for the sell setups on the oil. Pound USD, I think that every one of you has catch it really nicely. It gone really nicely. There are a lot of trades inside in this trade, so yeah, well done for the profit. Okay, I have updated over there the idea how it went nicely. Okay, so is the pound USD and euro yen as well. Okay, it's as well the money maker. He gave us a lot of money over there on the euro yen, and hope that it give you as well a nice trades. UK 100, so let's have a look what it did. It went lower and then now it's struggling. Probably it will retest top again, slowly back at top, or will start dropping. Okay, so we have to be cautious over there and prepare for all the setups. Pound New Zealand went lower, but it's struggling at the top again. Okay, so no sell setup was there, and don't sell anymore pound New Zealand, it's not ready yet. Luna USDT, the crypto went down nicely. Okay, so as we expected, there you have a double confirmation. We have a breakout and as well the confirmation order. So all the leverage traders on crypto did an amazing job, and the rest who are the spot traders, I'm still keep warning you, don't invest for spot or for long-term buys, or don't build any long-term positions. The market is still not stable for the long terms or for the buys, so don't push the market. Okay, crypto is not ready yet to go higher. Bitcoin is still struggling and it will go lower. Okay, definitely it will push lower. That means that all the altcoins will drag lower, so don't just jump into the trade. That makes no sense. You have to wait that this sell which is appearing right now across the crypto will lose its strength, then you guys can kick in with the spot trades, okay, or with the spot options. For now, I do only recommend leverage traders to trade on crypto. Okay, only the sells that we saw over there in the previous weekly market outlook. I have shown you a lot of those sells, and the whole crypto went lower. So congratulations to all of them who were selling it, as we mentioned or as I have shown you. So yeah, that's it. The rest are the old ideas. Aussie USD went lower as well, really nicely. Okay, it went for the bigger correction back at the previous top, and now it's going lower. Okay, hit the previous low. So oops, sorry. So this one was as well really nice money maker over there. Okay, so we've been tracking this Aussie USD as well in our trading academy, in our group. We took all those sells from the top. Okay, some of traders catch it from over there. Okay, the rest were getting in on those corrections, and we already took our profit off. Okay, we booked some profit, and now we have to watch what the price is trying to do and what it will form over there. And yeah, I think that's everything. And BNB Bitcoin going lower, still pushing lower. Okay, it went just for the bigger correction and then went lower. Your cat went lower, okay, as well, but slowly. Okay, there was a lot of those corrections which you will be able to trade, and of course there is this as well, the correction which you will be able to trade. Okay, so if you didn't, now you cannot do anything. Now the your cat will drag higher. Okay, I didn't update those ideas. I will repost the new setups. Okay, those are the old ideas. Okay, so they are not valid anymore. Okay, so this is from the previous year. Okay, so that's all from the previous ideas. And for those guys who would love to join our academy, our team, our group, you have to just simply go to my website, redmaster.eu. The link is attached there on my TradingView profile, and simply over there on the membership tab you will find the membership, which you of course have to pay because you'll have the access then. Okay, and those who are watching me on YouTube as well, under the video you will find the social links. You can as well click on them and join. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to send me the private message. You can contact me there on TradingView. You can send me the private message on Telegram as well. Okay, so you can as well join the Telegram group. There's a lot of benefits being in there. Okay, it's totally free for all. Yeah, I will mention the gold. I will mention. Okay, so there have been a lot of setups that I'm sharing with you as well, guys. I cannot of course share everything what we take in our group because this is not fair. Okay, so if you want more of those setups, you have to be the member of our academy and you have to learn how to trade, of course. So let's see what I was sharing over there in the past few weeks, let's say like that. Okay, so since previous weekly market outlook, what I was sharing there with you was the oil strong breakdown trades. It just went for a new high, now it will go lower. Okay, didn't miss anything. The UK 100, that one was good as well. You will be able to catch this sell and then of course taking profit. Then price decided to go back at the previous top, so this profit or at least break even. Okay, for those who are inside or there in the group. Okay, so here's the updated idea. If you took a sell on the UK 100, there's where I have posted you, and you got one more setup. It then went lower. Okay, and then this was your trade. Okay, this is your money, this is your profit. Okay, for those who are following me and for those who know what to do and how to trade. And what else? Oil, that one went lower. We're back at the top. We mentioned already UK 100. Here's the correction. We just went higher and didn't give us anything. And Euro yen went for one low. Okay, so this was the small setup. Okay, this was the small setup, went lower somewhere there close to that low. This was your trade. Small for those who decided to just take a small trade. This was their trade as well. A nice profit, quick profit was there. Pound USD, that one was the nice profit, nice correction with a nice profit over there. We were waiting. Okay, so I hope guys you will take it. Hope you guys have taken it. We took it in our academy. Okay, so we were trading in our academy from all those corrections all the way down, and we were keep adding. Okay, so we have a multiple trades on pound USD. Okay, we were sharing and talking about those setups. Oil, it's updated over there. You have seen it has tagged the top. And one guy was asking me about the gold. I do a favor for him and share with him the setup. Okay, so yeah, he was asking for gold setup. Okay, I usually don't do this, but I shared with him the gold setup. Okay, so he wanted the gold only, and I have shared with him the gold setup. Okay, that was the gold setup what I have shared with him. And what happened, let's see. Okay, where's the gold? Okay, gold has dropped down nicely. Okay, as you can see. Okay, I have shared with him the gold setup, not only with him, the rest of the followers as well who are in this free Telegram group. Okay, so I have shared you. If you were trading and took a sell over there, then that was your trade. Okay, back at the trend line. It went a little bit lower, but that was just the bonus for you. Okay, so congratulations. So hope you have taken the trade over there, the gold. And hi everyone on TradingView and pound USD. Okay, so here it is. Here's what I have shared with you over there. Okay, I was expecting everyone, every single subscriber from the TradingView that has taken this trade. Okay, so there it is, what we have anticipated and what happened. Okay, it just aggressively break down over there. Okay, so that was a nice trade. Okay, and you shall take it. Here's the gold as well, doing nicely. What else? Okay, so there was the one trade which didn't continue its momentum to the downside. We canceled that trade, okay, because there was momentum and we took trades out with the break even. Okay, that's our rule. We took that out on the break even. And yeah, there was as well one question. Okay, so Philip as well was asking for help over there. So let's see. He asked. So he took a trade over there, EUR/USD. I don't know why you have traded the EUR/USD. Okay, so we totally canceled trading on EUR/USD. Okay, that the EUR/USD was the only chart from the dollar that we didn't take. Okay, so all my members knows why we didn't took EUR/USD. Okay, it was the crappy chart from there, from this space, from this setup. Okay, didn't looks good and it wasn't supported with our rules. So what you did over there wrongly, you were ignoring the higher time frame. Okay, so you should not be trading over there. Okay, so that's why you have a loss. Okay, so many of you guys are having problems over there, and that's the reason why you should join the academy and learn. Okay, that's the reason why you should learn and be the member of our group. We will teach you this kind of stuff. This is the trade which you should not have over there. Okay, and the minus which should not be over there. Okay, so pound USD, this one should be the break-even trade. Okay, it went lower, it lost its momentum over there, and this trade should be a break-even trade or with a small loss. Okay, or if not, if you decided to hold it because this was the lower time frame correction, 5 to 15 minute correction, you should place your stop loss higher. Okay, and that was only two things which you should do over there. Okay, and if you don't know how to manage it, if you don't know how to enter, where to put your stop loss, where to take profit, then you really should join our team. Okay, you will save your money. Definitely you will save your money. You will not be losing because you need to learn stuff like that. Okay, so next time if you do something like that, if you're trying alone without any support, then just close it if you don't see any momentum. Okay, or use the biggest stop loss. That's all what I can give you over there. Okay, so any questions? If not, then I will start with the setups and we'll show you a couple of trades that we took. We'll show you the setups, what we are waiting for, what we did. Okay, so those who already joined, there are the links. You can as well give us some subscribes, some likes on YouTube as well. If you want to join our team, feel free to go to the website and choose the membership that fits with you. If you have any questions, contact me. You can send me as well the private message on TradingView, and you can send me the email as well. Okay, so let's go. Let's see now what we had and what we can expect for the upcoming week on the market. Okay, so DXY, the dollar has gave us a nice buy setup over there during the previous week. Okay, so we were buying dollar against any other currencies. Okay, we were buying the dollar. It went really nicely. It was a really nice flags over there, building nice flags, good setups, and we found that there is the running flat in the making, so it just exploded, or let's say it really nicely strongly pushed the dollar to the upside. So what we can expect now in this week is probably not much on the DXY. Okay, the dollar, what it can do, it can go back at the previous top, even slightly breaking and then deeper correction, or it can do something like this, going lower, and then it will go for one more high. Then we will see what the price will do. Okay, so probably today it will be correcting. Okay, and any strong break to the upside, you can take a small trades over there. Okay, this will be only the day trade, or let's say quick trade. Taking the trade and around the previous stop, you have to be careful, you have to watch it. If you're trying to reverse, take off your profit and expect the bigger correction. Okay, so 4 hour, if I will show you. Okay, so you can extend your trend line and you will see what the price will try to do over there. Okay, it can extend for one more high and then it can go for the bigger correction and continue its way to the upside. Okay, and based of the dollar buying, we found that USD CAD has a nice setup. We took a buy setups. We are still holding a buy setups over there. The buy setup, it's still building, as you can see over there. It didn't gone. You can still have a chance to catch some small trades. Okay, definitely small trades. My traders took trades from there. We were watching that closely and built some positions from there. In the upcoming week, you can watch for this kind of the wave over there, and of course not holding it for too long. Okay, don't hold it too long. USD Chief, not much over there. I do not expect, or we didn't take trades on USD Chief. Okay, so my traders, again, they will know the reasons why we didn't take any trades, or why didn't even we watch the USD Chief. Okay, it was totally non-tradable chart for us. It didn't meet the requirements for our rules for trading. So yeah, I cannot go into all those details over there. What do I think about Bitcoin and ADA and DOT? They are the charts are keep going lower. Okay, so do not expect any buys currently. Okay, so I'm still expecting that the Bitcoin will go lower. Okay, I definitely will show and share the chart with you. Okay, just stay there, stay with us. I will definitely talk about the crypto, but nothing with long term, or let's say no long term portfolios building. Okay, it's not ready yet. You have to wait. If you're the leverage trader, then definitely you can find a couple of opportunities over there which will develop during the week for more downside on the whole crypto. So Mexican, we as well didn't take any trades over there. South African rands, not tradable. Okay, but you can watch this one now. Okay, what it could do for a small trade over there, back at the top, back at the trend line at least. Okay, so small trades, small trade will go higher. Okay, Mexican was there. That was since previous weekly market outlook. Okay, so those who were there and who knows what to do, they shall have this trade over there. Okay, there was the trade that you should be in. Okay, you should be in this trade, and especially if you saw the DXY is going higher, then you have to keep it. If not, then you still need some knowledge. Okay, still need some knowledge to take more profits from the market. Aussie USD, wonderful charts. Okay, we were sellers from there, we were sellers from there, and there. Okay, and now we took off our profit. Okay, we took all our profits from the market. It's not worth of holding it anymore. Okay, we reached the previous bottom. It didn't continue its direction, started to pull back, so you all should be out. Okay, so this is the tag when I have sent to my traders, okay, to my group. Okay, I was warning them to take the profit over there, so now I will delete because it's gone. What we can do, or what we should do all for the rest week, we will watch this one, what the price will do. If it corrects, then it may go for the deeper correction, and something like this is what we can expect. Definitely it can pull back and stay there as well, and then one more low before going high. But let's say it's not tradable currently. Okay, so depends what this will do. If it pulls back slowly, giving you something like that, then you can take one short-term buy. Definitely then sell will come. Okay, we'll watch it closely, but you should follow it as well, so keep an eye on it. Aussie Chief, we took a couple of sells, it didn't go, break-even trades. Okay, so we were watching this one, took a sells, and I personally took a break-even trade over there. Okay, I took a personally break-even trade over there. My traders as well, some of them took profit. over there while the chart starts to correct. And what we should do in the upcoming week is nothing. Okay, I don't see that the Aussie chief is tradable for this week. Okay, let me have a look on 4 hour. Yeah, I don't see it. I don't see it being tradable chart. Okay, it can even go for the bigger correction before it continues its way to the downside to tag the previous low. Okay, so chief needs to be really strong if that will tag the low, but I don't see currently. Okay, as well Aussie USD, I don't see it currently going lower, but if Aussie USD will go back, then definitely this is the trade. Okay, Aussie New Zealand, nothing there, don't trade it. Okay, so if you took a sales over there, you have to recognize that this is not the trade which will go to the downside, and you shall close all trades on break even. So what you should do now, nothing. Okay, so leave this chart how it is, let it do whatever it wants to do. It's not tradable for us. I don't want to chase the price at the top. Aussie cat trying to bounce, that may be the good chart for the upcoming week. Okay, so as you can see, we are trying to bounce over there. Nothing is yet right now. Okay, so wait for the setup, then you can take a trade. Okay, but don't chase the price without having the setup. It could still go lower and then struggle over there, one more low and then going higher. Okay, so this is where most of traders are getting confused. So wait for the setup slowly. For the buy stop, wait, take a trade and go for it. New Zealand chief struggling over there. Okay, it drops, retests the previous high again, drops again, retests this low, didn't go anywhere. It's trying to pull. Okay, so what you can expect over there, one more sell. Okay, so this is what we can expect on the strong breaks to the downside. Of course, you have to recognize the momentum. The momentum needs to meet all the requirements for selling before you will go into this trade. Okay, and of course, proper stop loss. Don't just jump in once you see this kind of the small candle breaking out of the structure. Okay, so breaking out, or let's say breaking the trend line, doesn't mean anything. Don't chase it too early. Okay, let the momentum develop. New Zealand USD, personally I didn't add any trades over there. Okay, we were sellers from there. If you didn't catch it, don't do anything. Okay, so we are at the low, totally at the low. So this trade is not worth of, or let's say this chart is not worth of trading it from there. Okay, we will be trading again once this gives us the correction, then yes, we will start selling. But from there where it is right now, I really do not recommend, or I highly recommend you don't take any trades, not even short term, not even medium term. Okay, don't get yourself in troubles over there at the previous low. It's not worth of it. Okay, because anytime soon we will have a deeper correction, and yeah, you don't know. Okay, this is just the guessing work. Okay, don't guess while you're trading. You need to be sure what you're doing, what the charts are doing, and where they are heading to. And you have to understand every economy. Okay, not fundamentally but technically. So New Zealand cat as well over there. I don't recommend you trading any sells. I rather wait for the buy stops. Okay, buy stops there, it will be the good idea. Definitely you should watch for it. 1 hour, what we are having currently over there, no buy, not the sell. Okay, so if you're the seller from the earlier higher places or higher prices, you're doing great. If not, then this is the chart where you cannot do anything, basically, let's say like that. Okay, so a lot of charts are there which you should not chase. EuroCAD, this one is the good chart. You can watch there for the strong breaks to the upside. Okay, it's a good chart. And I think that the CAD is losing its strength across the market, so there it could be a nice trade. So definitely use the CAD. Your CAD are the trades to watch for more potential buy over there, and this is as well the good setup to watch. Okay, so keep an eye on it. Let's see how that develops and trade it, of course. Okay, trade it. Good setup, right? Euro dollar, you see this one, guys? Euro dollar, that was the reason why you should not be trading over there. Okay, and Philip, you have sent me that you have traded. Okay, so yeah, over there, Philip, you have sent me that you have traded over there. You should not be in the trade. Okay, so this is where we were in the trade. Okay, this was our trade. One trade, 4 to 5% of the profit. Okay, only spot where we took it was the last place to sell. Okay, this was the last place to sell. You cannot sell it lower than that. Okay, so it was not worth of selling it lower. So maybe you learn from this. You have to keep in mind, and this is definitely not a spot for selling. Okay, not even for buying. So let it do whatever it wants to do. Your USD needs to shows us the clear sense of the direction, but I think this is gonna go for the deeper correction, and then it will go more down. Okay, that's what we are anticipating and what we will wait for. Definitely we will not be jumping and trying to trade that kind of the correction. Okay, we will patiently wait for setup to complete, either the buy, either the sell, but we will be sticking for the sell because reason is the dollar. Okay, so everything what is happening about the dollar and how dollar behaves will have an impact there on euro dollar as well, logically. Come on, I have just misclicked over there. What else? Euro Aussie. Let's see. Went higher, couple of buy stops, break even, so nothing there yet. Okay, so this could still go lower back at those lows, so don't chase the price right now. Okay, but if the correction will appear, you can take a sell back at this low. This will give you the bigger correction. It can still go back at the top and then bigger correction before going higher. Okay, so this is the structure which can develop over there. So nothing special over there. Here New Zealand non-tradable chart as well. I will quickly go to the setups which are not tradable. Okay, we don't want to waste time on the setups that are non-tradable for us. Euro Chief as well. Okay, this is not tradable chart currently from this price over there. We'll just simply skip it. Euro GBP, good chart to watch. Okay, as you can see, we have a nice impulsive movement. We slowly come back at the previous low. We have a double low now, or double bottom, sorry. We have a double bottom. Okay, you see double bottom over there, and this trade to watch. Okay, so keep an eye there for your buy stops. I'm not saying that the pound euro GBP is ready. It's not ready yet, but definitely you have to watch it. Okay, definitely you have to watch this chart over there to go and tag the previous top again. Okay, so keep an eye there. Good chart to watch for the upcoming week. Okay, we will definitely watch it. Euro Polish Zloty, nothing there. Okay, so let it do whatever it wants to do. Euro knocking, nope, it's gone. Euro CAD is trying to push higher. Okay, so this one is trying to develop some kind of the momentum. Let's see. Pound yen. So yen, I still think that the yen will gain some strength across the market. So that means we are having there the higher time frame sell stops. Okay, so that still looks like it will go lower. Okay, so I still don't see that this is the buy setup. Okay, I still don't see this is the buy setup. This is still the sell setup. It doesn't matter how long does it spend over there, it will still go lower back at the previous low. Okay, so now the question is how patient you are and how many knowledge you have over there before this trade will go, because you should not miss it. Okay, that's gonna be a nice trade. It will be worth of taking trade, but now the question is when this is gonna complete. Okay, then you should be in the trade. Okay, so once this correction over there is completed, then you shall be in the trade. Okay, don't jump in too early, but definitely upcoming week watch for the sell stops on pound yen. Okay, these to go back at the previous low. CAD yen is trying to push down as well. Based on that we are watching that the CAD will lose its momentum across the market because we are buying the rest of the CAD. We shall watch for the CAD yen to sell. Okay, so these two strongly break down at least back at the previous low, or one more back at the top and then going lower. Okay, so this is where you need to have a skill, or this is where you need a knowledge to be properly educated, to have the proper rules to get into the market. Okay, so what you can do, watch for your strong breaks to downside and keep an eye on it. Okay, but keep in mind that correction can get bigger as well. Tag this high over there and then going lower back at this low, and then can get complicated as well. So be aware when you guys are trading in this sideways market. Aussie yen, Nothing is yet over there. This could still push higher, higher and higher. Okay, so what you should do, nothing over there. Okay, this could just struggle over there, but definitely watch for strong break to the downside. If it appears, then great. Okay, but a lot of impact is having the Aussie over there. Aussie is gaining over there, or let's say Aussie is it's trying to correct. So that means that we can have some sideways over there. Be careful. So only watch for strong breaks to the downside over there on the Aussie yen. Euro yen, non-tradable for us. So this is the setup that I was sharing with you in the Telegram channel as well. Okay, so I was sharing this setup with you, and I think it was as well updated under the idea. Yeah, it was updated over there. So this is the setup. If you took a trade, great. Okay, and only the short-term trade was this. Okay, you should be in the profit because you didn't expect this to break out. Okay, you didn't expect that this trade will break out over there. Okay, so that was the reason, and you should be in the profit or at least break even. Okay, so if you don't have experience, if you don't know what you're doing, then you have to have at least break even trade. If you know what you're doing, if you know how you're trading, then profit was there. Okay, profit was there for you. For now, what you can do now on the euro yen, totally nothing. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Currently it's not tradable for us. Okay, I will just delete one to make things clear. So euro yen is not tradable for us currently from price or how it behaves over there. Chief yen as well will probably go for the deeper correction, something like this, before it will drop slower. Okay, so expect some pullback over there. Okay, so deeper correction, of course. Don't chase the price. Let it do whatever it wants to do, and then we will sell it. Definitely we'll sell it. We are at the top of the structure, and this is still the move to catch. You see, this is still the move to catch, so make sure not miss it. New Zealand yen as well, good charts. Okay, we've been all the time selling this. Okay, a lot of sales has been there. We took a lot of money as well on the New Zealand yen, but now it's time to not trade it anymore. Okay, so let it do whatever it wants to do. Okay, so not tradable. USD yen can go for the correction and then going higher. Okay, so this could do something like this, going higher and then start to drop close at the previous top. Okay, this is what we can expect on the USD yen. Definitely I'm not recommending you taking this buy over there. Pound USD nicely going down. It still has a potential to break lower, so if you are having the sells from the top, okay, so if you are selling from the top, what you should be, okay, those trades definitely need to be holded. Okay, the rest you can taking off the profits, but now the chart is trying to go for the deeper or bigger correction. Let's say for our correction is in the play over there. Okay, correction and then definitely going lower. Okay, that doesn't look like it's a buy setup. Okay, that's not a buy setup, so that's the reason why you should watch for this break the previous low. Okay, so sell setup, keep an eye on sell setup. Pound chief almost ready. Okay, it's almost ready. What it can do, what is the worst case scenario? Worst case scenario is it could just go higher, higher and higher, close to those tops over there, retest it again and then drop, or it can break down earlier. So I'll delete this kind of the trend line to not confuse you, but definitely this will be the chart to watch. Okay, I will delete a couple of alarms over there. They are just not worth of having it over there, so keep an eye there. Upcoming week is it's good for the pound chief. Okay, pound chief these to aggressively start breaking lower, and that's gonna be your target, previous low, or second one is this low over there. Okay, so two targets are waiting there on you, but keep in mind that this could extend to take the high and then drop, so don't get yourself in troubles to be in the trade too early. Okay, stay patient. Pound Aussie, nothing there. Okay, so pound Aussie I think it will go lower, but it's not tradable right now. Okay, we tagged the previous high. We may have a double top and this to start going lower now. Okay, so makes sense. Then Aussie will gain, pound will lose its strength, and yeah, this setup can be good as well. Okay, for the upcoming week. Okay, these do go all the way back at that low at least, or even deeper. Okay, even deeper, that's what we can expect. So watch it. All the sell stops should be should be on your side. Okay, so pound New Zealand nothing is there. That's the ugliest chart. Which is not ready, of course. Okay, so there was a sell stop. If you took it, then you should end up with the break-even trade. Okay, so pound cat, this is the only chart which is the buy. That's the buy chart over there. CAD is losing its strength across the market, so you should keep in mind that. So this is the first, second and third wave in the making, bigger correction, and then these to go back at least, top at least. So what should I do? What you should do? Watch for the buy stops. Okay, be careful around the previous top. This correction can still get bigger and then going higher, so be aware. Keep in mind that this correction can get a little bit more complicated than it is right now. So next one, catch if good chart, watch it, sell it. Okay, sell it. It's looking good even right now. Okay, so that's even good. That's even looking good chart. You may short it really soon, or at least put it on your watch list, because it's gonna drop deeper. Okay, CAD, it's looking that CAD looks like it is losing, not like that. CAD is losing strength across the market, so I really do anticipate that this will be a good chart. Okay, so how far and how deep could it go? That's gonna be the nice move, or the guys back at this low, or at least low. Okay, so watch it, and then you can take a short, of course. Okay, this is your target. This is your first target. It's gonna be your first target. Okay, so move on. Chief Nokian, nothing there. Stupid chart. Gold, stupid chart as well. Okay, so this is the analysis I have shared with him. Take your profit definitely off. Okay, so if you listen to me, if you short it from there, if you short it anywhere on strong breaks, take your profit off. Okay, take it off. This could be the expanded flat going for one more high, even tag that high and then going lower. So don't get yourself in trouble, or at least with the break-even trade. Okay, this trade should not be the break-even trade. Or what you can do, if this goes correctively, so I'm keep repeating, if this goes correctively up, then definitely you can watch for strong break to the downside as well. Silver, what silver is doing, definitely watch it. If it corrects, if it's correctly pushing higher, then yes, sell it. Okay, there was some sell stop over there at the top. If you took a sell over there, then great, you're doing good job. How far? Back at the previous low. The rest who are not in the trade, wait for the nice correction, and this is your target. Okay, sugar going lower. Okay, sugar going lower, it will go lower definitely back at the previous low. So if you find any sell over there, you can go for the sell, of course. Oil definitely going lower. Okay, we're struggling at the previous top, and definitely back at this low is what you should watch, or what you're anticipating. Okay, so back at this low at least, and then you'll see what the price will do. But I'm anticipating the oil to keep on pushing lower. Okay, even back at the previous low. Okay, just watch it and take a sell once the sell will be ready. UK oil as well, we are at the top, and I really do anticipate that the gold that the oil will go lower. Okay, sell stop is what you should keep an eye on it. Nasdaq 100 more down. Okay, more down, but it's gonna go for the bigger correction, and then you have to sell it. SP 500 same there. Okay, this bigger correction over there, even struggling a little bit, and definitely more sell. Okay, so all indices, what I do anticipate, all the economy will go lower. Okay, this one as well going lower. They are correcting, they are on the good spot, so you should watch it for a sell. Okay, so here is the chart as well. UK 100, definitely this is the sell stop now. Okay, this is the sell stop. Wait for the strong break over there. Okay, and see what the price and how fast the price will go lower. This one as well. So all of them to push down aggressively. Okay, all of them going lower. Let this correction for hour to appear, develop and complete, then you go for the trade. German 30 as well. Okay, all in this is I'm anticipating to go lower. Okay, nothing. I will not change anything, just sells over there. Okay, so crypto traders, where are our crypto traders? Where are our crypto traders? So hope you guys didn't lose any money there on the crypto, because I've been warning you since the December and whole the January. Do not chase the Bitcoin and do not buy any crypto. Okay, any cryptocurrency cannot be bought. Okay, so what we have currently, or what I'm anticipating over there, is that the crypto will still go lower back at those lows over there. Okay, so previous low will be tagged as well. Okay, so oh, come on. Okay, there was a sell stop. There was a sell stop. If you took it, then this one. It's better to not trade the crypto. You know why. So these two keep on going lower. Okay, so I'm still anticipating that the crypto will go lower, and that's your trade for leverage traders on crypto. Sell, sell, sell. Okay, so only sell the crypto. Don't buy. Don't even think about buy the deep. Okay, that's not even a chance, and that doesn't exist. Just sell it. Okay, who is saying that you have to buy? Just block him. that's gonna save some money for you. So yeah, definitely more downside is what I'm anticipating. SHIB as well. Okay, so these two develop probably bit bigger correction and then going deeper. So still sell setups are there. Reach our target. Okay, we reach our target, and I think there is still more downside. Okay, I don't see any reversal that could struggle and even go lower than that one. Okay, it can go lower than this one. Dash, what the Dash is doing, going down nicely. So can we chase the price and expect more downside? Definitely. Okay, definitely we can expect crypto going lower, so don't buy. There's no any crypto that you can buy. Okay, it doesn't exist. Crypto which you can buy doesn't exist right now. Okay, so all of them are looking for the sell. Okay, so you have a clear sense of the direction. You see, clear sense of the direction. You see, that's not a buy. Okay, not a buy. I know I'm repeating that all the time, because I saw a lot of people sending me the private messages that they are losing its money on the crypto, and that's the biggest problem. Okay, the biggest problem that people are trying to invest, trying to trade without any knowledge. Okay, they are just buying crypto and selling because of some stories that people are saying, or some who think that he knows what he's doing, sharing their analysis with others, and that's the biggest problem. Okay, if you don't have any knowledge, then you are probably then you're 100% gambling across the market, so that ain't gonna give you the long-term positions for the profit. Okay, this stuff doesn't work. So try to get some knowledge before you will guys start investing. Okay, but because once you have a knowledge, then it's really beautiful to live on the forex. It will give you a lot of freedom. Basically, from the investing, it will give you a lot of freedom. You will enjoy your life, and definitely you will need the knowledge. Okay, look at that one. All the crypto is going down. I have nothing to say. It's clearly showing that everything is going down. Okay, they are just going down deeper and deeper. So if you have any question for crypto, just ask. But you know already my answer. It's a sell. It doesn't matter which setup will you share with me. It is a sell. Okay, there was the nice sell over there that we were mentioned on. I think there was the weekly market outlook. So you guys go back on the January 17th, and then you'll see what we were forecasting from there. Okay, you'll see every move was forecasted. Every single move was forecasted, and this is the knowledge. Only the way like that you can trade. If you don't know what the chart is doing, if you don't know where the chart is heading to, then stay away from it. It's not worth of just clicking it. Okay, so you see everything is just going lower, lower, lower and lower. They are all having the same setups. Okay, you will not find a buy setup. Okay, so any question, guys? Do we have any questions? Okay, until you are typing your questions, please, I will please you to hit the like button on TradingView and YouTube as well. And if you're happy with the outlook, if you're making money, if you're enjoying the webinar, please share it with others. There are a lot of people who are still struggling, who still don't know what they're doing, and who still are missing some knowledge, at least basic knowledge. Okay, so share it, you may help someone. Can you review the bull part? Bull is not ready yet. Okay, the bullish market, it's not ready yet on the crypto. Don't chase it. I will let you know when this will be ready. It's not fixed one, okay? The bullish, it's not confirmed. Okay, this trend line doesn't mean anything. Look at that one. Okay, there are no trend line. It's all about the pattern. Okay, there is the expanded flat formation. Okay, it's all about the pattern. It's not about the trend lines. Look at that one now. Okay, I can take everything off, and that doesn't mean anything right now. So what should you do now? What should you do? Can I buy? No. Okay, this is the expanded flat formation, and this movement can just go down. They even can tag this 60k 20k areas really easily. Okay, so that's the reason. It's not about the trend line. Okay, the trend line could be over there, but it totally doesn't mean anything. It's just the waste of the trend line, or let's say like that. Okay, it doesn't mean anything really. It's all about the pattern, what they are doing, how they are behaving. Once they lose its momentum and so on. Okay, Luciano, yes, you are quite late. You joined at the end of the webinar, so you should watch the recording. Recording will be there for you. Okay, so those who joined lately or already joined, you should watch the recordings. Okay, the recordings will be live there on TradingView. Under my profile, under the stream tab, you will find the recordings, and those who are watching me on YouTube as well, you will find the recordings as well over there. Okay, so hi everyone, I see that you guys are a little bit late. A lot of people are just coming right now, so you guys were too late. Okay, I didn't know that you wasn't there. I see there are a lot of people are joining right now, so maybe next time I will try to delay my webinar for a little bit later. Okay, I will put the poll over there in my Telegram, so please vote, and we should find the good timing for everyone to be able to join the live. Okay, we'll find the timing so everyone will be able to join. But anyway, it is worth of watching the recordings. Okay, so start from the beginning and watch it. You still didn't lose anything or miss anything. Everything is still there. So if there is no question, then I will end the webinar over there. Please guys, hit the like button, share the video with others. There are many people who are still struggling, want to see the webinar and learn some basic knowledge. Okay, so if you do so, and if you decide to join us, to join our paid group, then feel free to go to the website and choose the membership that fits with you. Okay, and I will then add you to our group, and that's it. Okay, so take care, enjoy your day, and see you on next weekly market outlook. Take care, enjoy your day, and may the profit be with you. Bye bye everyone.